Space didn't slow down this year, it accelerated. In just months, we got 5 discoveries that sound like science fiction, but aren't. Life chemistry inside an asteroid sample, a giant collision around another star, the brightest fast radio burst on record, strange JWST red dots that may be early black holes, and hints that dark energy might be changing. If you want more clean, fast space stories like this, hit like and subscribe. Alright, Space Case Files, 5 updates, let's go. Bennu space rocks with RNA ingredients. NASA returned samples from the asteroid Bennu, and inside that dust, researchers reported ribose, a sugar used to build RNA, along with other complex organic chemistry found in earlier analysis. This is not "we found life," it's the next most important thing. The universe can assemble pieces of biology before a planet becomes habitable. Simple takeaway: early space wasn't sterile rock, it was chemistry in motion. Discovery 2: a collision around another star, caught as it unfolded. Hubble watched a bright object near the star Fomalhaut change over time. Instead of behaving like a planet, it looked like a cloud spreading outward. The clean explanation is brutal. 2 large bodies likely collided, turning into a growing dust plume. Why it matters is simple. Dust can fake a planet in telescope images. Sometimes the universe isn't showing you a new world, it's showing you fresh debris. Discovery 3: the loudest radio flash we've ever seen, in just milliseconds. Fast radio bursts are ultra-short signals that can briefly outshine entire galaxies in radio waves. Recently, instruments captured what's been reported as the brightest FRB on record. And observations like these are getting better at pinpointing where fast radio bursts come from. That matters because fast radio bursts used to be a scream in the dark. Now we're finding the address, which helps test what the engine really is: extreme magnetars, collapsing stars, or something we still don't fully understand. Discovery 4: Webb found objects that shouldn't exist that early. JWST is seeing compact, very red, very bright objects in the early universe, often nicknamed little red dots. One strong possibility is that many of them are black holes feeding inside thick dust, making them look unusually red and intense. If that's right, it helps explain a big problem. How did supermassive black holes appear so fast after the Big Bang? Simple takeaway: the early universe may have built monsters faster than our neat models expected. Discovery 5: the expansion of the universe might have a dial. DESI is mapping millions of galaxies to track how cosmic expansion changed over time. Their recent results have strengthened hints that dark energy, the thing driving acceleration, might be evolving, not perfectly constant. Scientists are careful here. It's not a final verdict, but if it holds up, it changes the story of the universe's future, because the engine pushing space apart may not stay the same forever. So that's the 5. Bennu's chemistry that looks like life's toolkit, a collision caught around another star, the brightest fast radio burst we've ever logged, Webb's strange little red dots, and signs that dark energy might not be constant. Now I want you to decide what we investigate next. Which 2 discoveries should get the deep dive in Part 6? Type your picks in the comments. 1 Bennu, 2 collision, 3 FRB, 4 red dots, 5 dark energy. If you want Part 6, Hit like and subscribe. Next time we'll get practical, what these findings change for us, and what major missions in the next 2 years are already lined up to follow the clues. Plus, we'll break down the top discoveries you voted for. Space Case Files 5, Closing the Log.